for all the coffee drinkers and aficionados who despise the long cafe lines, dread the overwhelming coffee options, or need a fix for those early morning caffeine pains, fear no more. There's finally an affordable, low-maintenance coffee maker that can brew a basic or premium roast coffee in a fraction of the time and cost as the coffee house. The Hamilton Beach Two-Way Brewer. Travel mugs and cups are not included. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 2 ways to brew. Single cup or full pot. Brew a single-serve cup or a full pot of coffee with your favorite ground coffee, whichever way you brew. The Hamilton Beach Two-Way Programmable Coffee Maker makes it easy to do both. Not compatible with K-cup pots. Travel mugs and cups are not included. Number 2. Simple single-cup brewing doesn't use K-cup pots. Brew a cup for one using loose ground coffee, with the included mesh scoop, adding your favorite flavored decaf or premium roast ground coffee couldn't be easier. Just scoop, place, and brew. Number 3. Peace of mind with 2-hour automatic shutoff. How many times have you walked out the door, only to wonder, did I turn the coffee maker off? Now there's no worry or turning around to check since the coffee maker turns off automatically after 2 hours. Number 4. Programmable for wake-up-ready coffee. Wake up to a hot cup of coffee with fully programmable functionality. Want to sleep in for 5 more minutes? Go ahead, get some more beauty sleep and take advantage of the built-in programmable clock and timer. Its hour and minute features let you program your ideal coffee drinking time up to 24 hours in advance. Number 5. Choose your brew strength with Select a Brew. You can choose regular and give your taste buds the simplicity of standard medium grind coffee. Or you can go bold and select a decaf, finer grind, or a premium roast brand for a richer flavor. Number 6. Get your first cup fast with Auto Pause and Pour. Pour yourself a quick cup as coffee brews with Auto Pause and Pour. No need to wait until the whole pot has finished brewing. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.